see the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Hello everybody and welcome to my video today. I am so excited to be sharing another video with you here for Craftmas. This year I planned out my content a little bit different, planned out my videos where I thought I would do some of the same things each week. So each week I want to share a haul of some sort, some new crafty product that I have gotten that I'm trying out, and we're gonna kick off that series with this box here. I'm very excited, and this sort of is something I didn't think that I was going to do, but I did. So let me just pull out what I have here and tell you what it is and where it is from. I just wanted to share how cute the box was. So let's zoom in and let me show you what I got. Now it's just a couple products. This is from HEPA. I do not know how to pronounce her last name, so I'm so sorry. And this I purchased directly from her website. She is here on YouTube. She does the me, myself, and I stuff that I follow along with, and I did this last year. She does some creative journaling, and she has some past Project Life videos. She does a different style of crafting than what I normally do. But I totally love her style, and I love what she does. I just don't necessarily do the exact projects that she does. So this year, and I will be talking about this in more depth towards the end of the month, but let me just show you what I got and then I will explain why I got it. So this is her. She is my little journal on YouTube. I will link her down below, and I'll link her website and along with this product if it's still in stock. Editing Tina here. I'm popping in to share this screenshot of a few notebooks that she came out with after I filmed my video. So if you go to her website, these are still in stock as of right now. As of today, I popped this in for you. I went ahead and I purchased the black cover. I purchased 2 of those. And I also purchased one other of her products when she restocked these. So if you are interested in these, you can still pick them up along with the cover that I'm sharing in this video from the original when I originally filmed this. I am in love with this, and I cannot wait to share with you more about this project. I have been needing something just different and fresh for my documenting and memory keeping, and I think that this is going to work out really, really amazing. So I just wanted to pop in while I was editing today and let you know that there are a few new covers and that you can go to her website and order. I missed it the first time around when she did these. They went out of stock, so I don't know how quickly they sell out. So if it's something that you're wanting to try or to follow along with me, you'll want to do that right away. And these are the 3 new covers that she released a few days ago. Stock. So she does the Scrappy Spiral Notebook, I believe is what this is called. And there's a couple different ones that she has. The one that I got is this one right here. It says 2025. And then the inside has this style layouts. Now the idea is that you have this notebook and you do your crafting in it. And you do, you know, she does like Project Life in it. She does journaling style stuff. This is the column one. I may, if she restocks these, I may get a different style. She has one that is like a pocketed, where it's like 4x6 and 3x8, and it like literally looks like a 6x8 album, except in a spiral. So So I had seen these years ago. I think I probably saw the very original one, the one that she had originally gotten, and I was intrigued by it, but I never really did anything with it. And then as I followed her, she has created these so that you can stamp in them. The paper is really amazing, and it feels very smooth, like it will take stamping really easily. And the paper is thicker, and she sort of designed this so that you could stamp and craft in it and it would hold up. So I have been intrigued by this for a while, but didn't really think there was anything that I could use it for. You know, I do my Project Life family album in a 12 by 12. I do my personal album in a 6 by 12. I think this would be a great thing to do like a personal album in, like if you wanted to do personal Project Life and you didn't want to do it in an album, I think that would be great. The other thing that she does is she does all of her smaller projects like Week in the Life, October Daily, 30 Days of Thankful. She does all in this style so that it's just all in one thing. And then she does some stamps. I picked up a couple alphabet stamps. You know, I'm a sucker for anything that is alphabet, and I love this style here, and then this one is a really fun one as well. So those are the 3 items I picked up, and the reason I picked this one up is because I am going to be doing one little word in this coming year. So for 2025, this is what I'm going to do one little word in. And that is something totally and completely different. I've always done my one little word in 6 by 8. One year I did it in the 10 by 10 and I really did not enjoy that. It was fine, but I didn't enjoy the size for that for one little word. So I went back to 6 by 8. So next year for one little word, I already have my word. I've had it for a couple months now. And I'm going to talk more in depth about why I'm changing up how I'm doing one little word, but this is what I've landed on to do one little word. So like I said, this has the columns, it has the start page, so it has a blank page here. What I'm thinking about doing, I'm wondering if I have a happy planner punch, and I'm wondering if I punched something, if it would fit in this. I think the cinch lines up with this, but I would love to be able to find like a punch or maybe punch things myself that I could insert into here. So like if I wanted a 4x6 card to go in here, I would love to be able to do that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the back page out. That allows you to be able to take your pages out and then put them back in. So you can see if you just snip it like that, then you can put it back in and it holds in. You know, it's really sturdy. But what I think I'm going to do is leave this out so I can use it as like a template to, if I want to be able to punch holes. Now I have, okay, I have this, which is a happy like planner punch. It's so you can do the discs, but what I'm wondering, I need a piece of scrap paper. Let me see if I could just use this. No, so the Happy Planner punch would not work, I don't think. What if you double punched it? Oh, actually, maybe this would. I wonder if you double punched. Okay, so maybe that punch would work. I wasn't even on camera. Yeah, maybe that punch would work. In a pinch, maybe that could work. So I definitely, if I want to have something in here like this, I will definitely, you know, try to have that work, see if I can make that work. But I love the idea of being able to do that, to add things to this. And then I'll just keep this as a template in case I need to just use a regular, you can just use a regular hole punch and then snip it like I did. So I'll keep this as like just a reference. But I am excited about doing one little word in this and seeing how that will go. The thing I'm most excited about is being able to use stamps more, and this is definitely going to give me that ability to use stamps more. I highly encourage you to check out her YouTube, and her style is just so fun. I really love it. So this is my first little crafty haul for Craftmas. You will definitely be seeing more of this. Tune in maybe the first week of January or the very last week of December, and I will be talking about my one little word, how I'm going to use this, what my word is for next year, and all of those fun crafty things. I hope you're having a wonderful December, and I will be back in my next Craftmas video. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. There are 2 other videos here on the screen that you can check out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That helps YouTube be kind to me, and I would love it if they would be kind to me this Christmas season. I hope you're all having a wonderful start to December, and I will catch you in my next Craftmas video.